Right, hello and welcome back to another episode of Mini Daily. And today's episode, we were supposed to be trying to start that, but that ain't happening. So I'm going to have to leave it a week or two soaking in diesel, and we'll get back to it halfway through the video. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean out the inside of this, and apologies for the stupid camera angle. Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to get the vacuum, and we're going to vacuum out all the crap and just get rid of all the cobwebs and stuff all around the doors and that. It's not a deep clean, it's just I want it clean enough that I can park my arse into it, because the last time I opened the back door you seen how bad it was. So I'll have to grab some gloves and a hoover. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean the far side. Hopefully this will get a good angle at it, and just get rid of all the crap, and then I'm going to see if I can hoover all that moss off the seat just to make it somewhere a little bit more comfortable to sit and be in, because as I said I haven't even sat in this car yet. So I'll put this on the lapsies and we'll start. Right, it's time to get the gloves on and get rid of all this crap on the back seat. Not going to be pretty. It looks like there's household in with that as well, so not nice. Right, wouldn't be a 90s cleaning video without some 90s product. Bit of a son of a gun, and we'll just give that dash a quick clean. Now, again, this isn't a full valet or anything like that. This is just getting the worst of the crap off everything. Now, I think you can agree after a minute or two there, it looks 10 times better. So what I'll do is I'll bring it around the far side and we can do the fun part, on the fun side. Now, I will try and not get my fat head in it too much. Now, I think he'll agree after a good bit of cleaning there. Well, not a good bit, it was 5 minutes with a good old yellow duster like we used to use years ago, and the kind of son of a gun. That looks a little bit more presentable now. Now, it's not spotless, and neither are the seats. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a brush on a drill and just see if I can get some of the kind of these bits. As you can see, the seat looks 10 times better than what it did. It's not fully furry, and a lot of the stuff come off the back as well. Now, as I said, this is not a showroom detail or anything like that. I just want to be able to park my arse in the car when I'm doing work and not feel horrible when I'm doing it. So we'll get some of the cobwebs and that off the door and stuff like that, and then bring his back in. Just as I was cleaning there, I kind of got a little bit carried away, because I started seeing a little bit of red and then another little bit of red. Now, it's not going to work on the whole car, but it kind of gives you an idea on how much we can buff up this paint. Now, I know there's battle scars if we look down here and stuff, but that's the whole idea. So I want to keep all of this, because it's only original once. But I tell you one thing, we are going to have some amount of fun cleaning up this paintwork. Right, let's see how we get this cleaned. This is the worst of the two sides, and it's only a 2-second with a cloth, but it'll be amazed how much that'll come up. Now, he's probably all been staring at it. I want to have a look at it, so I'll give you a quick look. Surprisingly in where that was. It's in great condition. Your instruction manual, so obviously where your fuses are and stuff, your service, your book with your radio in it, and service history, green light for the environment. So we'll have a look at the service book. So there you go. This car was bought in Park Motors, and it has its first stamp there, 92 for service. Sorry, 17th of December, 91 at 8,000 miles. Ballsbridge Motors there, and then the service just seems to disappear. And I do apologise, that's going to be one of these videos where there's going to be an awful lot of dadding in it, because I had to collect him from school. So what else have we got in here? Bag service. It's obviously just all the dealers around Europe. It's nice to have the original what's got it for the radio. Now, the radio did come on, but the LCD display, or whatever display is in them, doesn't seem to be working. So I have seen a trick with a cigarette lighter. I might do that, but yeah, I think that's starting to look a bit better now. We'll bring around the hoover and we'll give this just a quick hoover out. I'd say the drill is nearly charged now, so what I'll do is I'll just put the brush on it and just agitate all the dirt, and then hopefully we'll be able to hoover it all up. I'm just going to run swap brushes. Right, just going to go a slightly bigger brush because I got no patience. I need to get some oil for that as well. Now, the reason it stinks so much in here, other than the fact it's full of mold and stuff, is the fact that that's dog hair that's coming up off the seat. Sorry, I don't want to forget the camera sometimes. Though you probably won't see much because my head will be in the way, but we'll bring these around anyway. Right, I'll leave this there, hopefully it's a better angle, and we'll see if we can get all the moss off that seat with that. Right, the hoover's working overtime, so I'd say it's about to die. Oops. But what I'm going to do here is just going to clean off all of this and just clean off the tray and pull the crap out of the boot and stuff, and we'll call that video a day here because I'd say it's getting miles too long. Since hear all the car violators screaming, you can't do it that way, you can't do it that way. I'm just literally getting the heaviness off, and you can see the absolute filth of that rag. We'll get the big nozzle back on that, and we'll just get rid of all the dog hair. That looks a little bit better. anyone needs one of them for a Toyota, there's one there. No, I'm not cleaning out the boot, I just want to assess it. It's completely solid. Completely solid, which is great. I think that's about all we can do here today. It was I'm watching the time, this video was ran well over an hour now at this stage. So I'll do some, just a quick look at the inside of it there again, and we'll call it a day. So again, there's the inside. Looks a little bit better. Like I'd sit in that. It does need a shampoo and that, but unfortunately the Hoover died, so I will ask the missus very nicely if I can bring the Mila up here, or I'll just do it and not tell her and she won't know. But that does look a hell of a lot better than what it did. Right, what did we think of that one? Didn't scrub up too bad. As I said, the Hoover just gave up in the last hurdle. Dash come up nice. I think now I can sit in it. As I said, the engine is seized, but I have it sitting in diesel. So the next video will be a will it start. So I'm going to leave that a couple of weeks, which means it's time to tinker on with the other projects. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for all the new subscribers I'm after getting through the last couple of videos. It's much appreciated. And if you haven't hit the button, hit it, because it massively helps the channel. I am so close to being monetized, which will mean a lot, which will mean more content, more work will go into the channel and stuff like that. So stay tuned, and I'll catch you in the next one, guys.